Do you struggle to make realistic characters? Do you find it difficult to model hard surface weapons such as guns, pistols in Cubebrush, and you are still using traditional 3D softwares? Do you want to make realistic hair for your characters using Maya Xgen? This course will solve all of these problems you might have.
Hi, welcome to my course Realistic Female Character Sculpting for Artists. My name is Nalin. I'm a 3D character artist and a teacher. I've been teaching since 2009 at various colleges. I have created few best-selling courses on character modeling before, and more than 6,000 students have been enrolled to 2 of my best-selling courses.
At the end of this course, you will be able to sculpt realistic female body and face with good anatomy, hard surface weapons such as rifles, guns, pistols, knives all inside Cubebrush, and good looking realistic hair using Maya Xgen. In this course, I'll be covering these key topics: making female anatomy easy to understand, how to make realistic face and body, modeling hard surface weapons all inside Cubebrush, creating hair with Maya Xgen. I've designed this course for intermediate students and character artists who wants to improve their character sculpting with good anatomy, who wants to model guns, rifles and pistols all inside Cubebrush, and who wants to make better looking hair with Xgen, with a step-by-step guide. If you are a beginner, you can still enroll, but you need to have basics knowledge of Maya and Cubebrush, and you need to have a lot of patience to go through the entire course. This course is 70 hours long, fully real-time recorded, no fast forward at all, and fully narrated by me, and not even a single step is skipped or done off the screen. I always say the keyboard shortcuts I'm using in the course, so you can follow me, and I have not edited out my mistakes so that you can learn from those as well. I hope to see you in my course, so enroll now and become a character artist you always wanted to be.